Imagine a world where robots are smaller than a penny, stronger than a human, and even launched into space. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But these robots are real, and they're doing things you won't believe. Today, we're diving into the weirdest corners of robotics to show you machines so bizarre, they'll make you question what's possible. If you blink, you might miss the craziest twists. Let's start with something tiny, you could fit it on your fingertip. Meet RoboBee, created by scientists at Harvard University, USA. This little machine is the size of a bug, with wings that flap just like a bee's. It can fly, hover, and even swim underwater. Why? To pollinate crops if bees ever disappear. Bees are crucial for our food supply, but their numbers are dropping. RoboBee could be the solution. It is so light, it weighs less than a paperclip. Imagine a robot that tiny. Now, let's move on to something a little stronger. Next, we have Spot, the robot dog created by Boston Dynamics, USA. This four-legged machine is like a super-powered pet. It can walk, run, climb stairs, and even open doors. But that's not all. Spot is used in factories, construction sites, and even disaster zones to inspect dangerous areas. For example, after the Fukushima nuclear disaster, robots like Spot were sent into areas too risky for humans. But here's the cool part, these robots can dance. This robot can bust a move better than most of us. Spot is so advanced, it can avoid obstacles, and even recover if it falls. It's like a robotic athlete. Now, let's move on to a robot that's building the future, literally. Japan's HRP-5P isn't just a robot, it's a construction worker. With creepy human-like moves, it installs drywall, screws, and even carries tools. Why? Because Japan is facing a labor shortage, and robots like this could help. The HRP-5P uses cameras and sensors to see its surroundings and plan its movements. It's not perfect yet, sometimes it moves a little slowly or drops a tool. But it's getting better every day. Imagine a future where robots like this build our homes, schools, and offices. Coming up, a robot that's better at art than you. What if I told you there's a robot that can paint, sculpt, and even give TED Talks? Meet Aida, the world's first AI artist from England. She uses cameras to see her subject and then creates stunning pieces of art. Some of her work has sold for thousands of dollars. But here's the question. Could a robot ever win a Grammy? Not yet, but our final robot might just be the most shocking of all. Meet FEDOR, the Russian humanoid robot that was launched into space in 2019. Its full name is Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, and it was sent to the International Space Station to assist astronauts. FEDOR can use tools, repair equipment, and even shoot guns. But don't worry, it's not a space assassin. It was just a test to show how precise its movements are. FEDOR was launched aboard a Soyuz rocket, making it one of the few robots to ever leave Earth's atmosphere. Imagine a robot floating in space, fixing things and helping humans explore the cosmos. The future is here, and it's out of this world. If these robots blew your mind, smash that like button and tell us in the comments.